Welcome children. You all have been learning alphabets right from your nursery class. Do you remember the song I recited for you? A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. Correct. Alphabet song. We know all 26 letters of alphabet very well. These English letters of alphabet are always written or said in correct sequence. You can see this in the picture. Today, we will learn how to arrange the letters and words in correct alphabetical order. Children, one day, all the letters of English alphabet went to a zoo along with their teacher. They wanted to climb the bus, but their teacher asked them to stand in a queue. So, these letters quickly arranged themselves in correct order and they went A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Students, this group of letters always follow a sequence or proper order. We can see this correct order of letters in a big magical book. It is called a dictionary. Dictionary is a book of all English words with their meaning arranged in alphabetical order. If you don't know the meaning of any word, you should search for it in a dictionary. Here, the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So it becomes easy for us to find the meaning of a particular word. Let us arrange few letters in alphabetical order. Can you see the letters? They are jumbled up. They are not in a correct sequence. We will arrange them in correct alphabetical order. For this, let us say letters. We begin from A. A is the first letter. So, we will write A. Continue saying B, C. We have C in the list. So, now we will write C. Moving ahead, D. Even we have D in the list. So, we will write D. Continue saying E, F. We have F in the list. We will write F. G, H, I. We have I in the list. So now we will write I. Well done children. Let us see one more example. Here again the letters are not arranged in proper sequence. We begin saying the letters from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. We have K in the list. So first we will write K. Continue from K. K, L, M, N. We have N in the list. So now we will write N. Moving further, N, O. We have O in the list. So we will write O. O, P, Q, R. We have R also in the list. So now we will write R. Moving ahead, S, T. We have T in the list. So finally we will write T. Well done children. Pat your backs. You have arranged the given letters in correct order. Now let us arrange words in alphabetical order. Look at the picture. All we have to do is see the first letter of each word. For pen, it is P. For cup, it is C. For fan, it is F. We have already learned to arrange the letters in correct alphabetical order. Let us arrange these three letters P, C, F in correct order. Let us start saying from A. A, B, C. We have a word starting with C. So first we will write cup. Moving ahead, C, D, E, F. We have a word starting with F, fan. So we will write fan. Moving ahead, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We have a word starting with P. So now we write pen. Very good. Clap for yourself, children. We have arranged the words in alphabetical order. Let us see one more example. We see goat, hen and cow in the picture. What is the first letter for goat? G. For hen, it is H. And for cow, it is C. Let us start from A. A, B, C. We have a word starting with C. So we will write C. That is cow. Continue saying from C, D, E, F, G. Correct. We have a word starting from G. So we will write goat. Moving ahead, G, H. We also have a word starting with H. So we write hen. And here we have arranged this set of words in alphabetical order. Children, isn't it easy and fun to arrange words in alphabetical order? See the pictures now. See the words: elephant, lion, giraffe, rabbit, mouse. We will arrange these words in alphabetical order. For that, we begin saying from A. A, B, C, D, E. We have a word starting with E. So we will write elephant. Moving ahead, E, F, G. We have a word starting with G. So now we will write giraffe. Continue saying from G, H, I, J, K, L. We have a word starting with L, lion. Continue, L, M. Yes, we have a word starting with M. So we will write mouse. Moving ahead, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. We have a word starting with R. So now we write rabbit. We have arranged these words in alphabetical order: elephant, giraffe, lion, mouse, rabbit. Now children, you have to think and arrange these words in correct alphabetical order. Bye and take care, children.